Britain now faces an unprecedented entrepreneurial exodus toward Dubai. Legal experts have documented a striking increase in relocation inquiries from UK-based tech founders and investors. Tom Bohills at Founders Law reports, Dubai relocation featuring in 15 to 20% of all new business applications. Multiple advisory firms including Wilson Partners, Evelyn Partners, and Capital Partners confirm identical trends. Labor initially gained power with tech sector support, yet sentiment deteriorated rapidly following significant tax policy changes. Finance Minister Rachel Reeves implemented substantial modifications to exit earnings relief schemes up to £1 million. These changes increased founder tax obligations considerably, with additional hikes scheduled for next year. Employers' national insurance contributions simultaneously rose from 13.8% to 15%. The timing proves particularly challenging, as British startups secured just €7.3 billion in the second half of 2024. This represents the lowest funding figure since early 2020, according to comparable deal room data. Fintech's Fair Play delivers expert analysis on financial policy impacts and economic shifts. Subscribe for continued insights into global fintech developments and regulatory consequences. Dubai presents a compelling alternative taxation model, attracting British wealth creators. UAE corporate tax ranges from 9 to 15%, compared to substantially higher UK rates. More significantly, Dubai maintains zero income tax on individuals. High-earning UK entrepreneurs currently surrender approximately 50% of income to the government. London founders consistently cite this tax burden as primary motivation for relocation consideration. The calculation extends beyond direct taxation into broader economic conditions. Deteriorating NHS service quality necessitates expensive private insurance despite high tax payments. Prohibitive childcare costs create particular challenges for entrepreneurs with families. These factors collectively contribute to a perception that Britain no longer values its wealth creators. Clio founder Barney Hussey-Yeo articulates the fundamental structural problem facing ambitious entrepreneurs. Capital gains tax increases and the elimination of entrepreneurs' relief have established clear achievement ceilings within the UK system. Early relocations have triggered powerful network effects throughout the founder community. Success stories from Dubai circulate rapidly among London entrepreneurs. The tax-free operational environment provides unmatched flexibility compared to British constraints. Competition for British talent extends throughout the Gulf region beyond Dubai alone. Astrolabs reports increased interest across multiple Gulf jurisdictions seeking tech talent. Saudi Arabia has implemented an extraordinary 30-year tax exemption for companies establishing headquarters within its territory. Dubai presents certain operational challenges despite its compelling tax advantages. The startup ecosystem remains less developed than London's mature infrastructure. Access to early-stage capital suffers from thinner venture capital and angel investor networks. Time zone differences with Silicon Valley create coordination challenges for global operations. Entrepreneurs have developed sophisticated adaptation strategies to these limitations. Many maintain UK-registered business entities while relocating personally to optimize jurisdictional benefits. Remote operation of UK businesses has become standard practice among relocated founders. Modern digital infrastructure enables geographic arbitrage previously impossible for technology entrepreneurs. Public markets further complicate Britain's tech retention challenge. The London Stock Exchange struggles attracting premier homegrown tech companies. Successive governments have consistently increased rather than reduced entrepreneur exit taxation. Prime Minister Keir Starmer has positioned artificial intelligence as a key economic growth lever. His administration has launched multiple initiatives aimed at wooing the tech sector. These efforts remain undermined by fundamental taxation policies that penalize entrepreneurial success. Britain now confronts a stark strategic choice regarding its innovation ecosystem future. The correction window narrows with each founder departure. Historical migration pattern analysis demonstrates the difficulty of reversing established entrepreneurial outflows. Fintech industry observers note that Britain's positioning as Europe's dominant tech hub faces unprecedented erosion. The exodus represents more than tax optimization. It signals a fracturing relationship between government and innovation creators. How long until Britain's position becomes irreversibly weakened? The numbers suggest this critical threshold approaches rapidly. Each departing founder diminishes the ecosystem's vitality. Each punitive tax measure accelerates the talent drain. Will Britain recognize this reality before permanent damage occurs? The evidence suggests concerning blindness to these market signals. This analysis comes exclusively from Fintech's Fair Play. Subscribe now for ongoing financial insights that mainstream sources won't provide. Follow our investigations at fintechsfairplay.medium.com for deeper analysis. The financial truth matters. Support independent financial intelligence.